You were just a kid, blissfully unaware of the storms brewing around you. But let's be real, those were the days of innocence, not strength. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I want to go back to that? Because every bruise, every tear, every moment of feeling weak built the foundation for who you are now. You think you didn't need to be stronger back then. You didn't know you were training for war. Life threw punches, and while you may have taken them as a child, they shaped you into a fighter. You see, I wouldn't change a damn thing about my past either. Those struggles didn't break me, they made me unbreakable. Every hardship is a weight that builds your strength. Those moments you wish away, they're the very essence of your resilience. Embrace them. Your past is your armor, your strength, your relentless drive to push forward. When you look in the mirror, don't just see the person you are today. See the kid who faced darkness and learn it to fight. That kid is still in you, and every scar tells a story. Let that fire burn inside you. You've come this far because of everything you've endured. So don't ever forget, the pain was your teacher, and now it's time to unleash the beast. You weren't meant to stay weak. You were forged in the flames of your past. Now get up, get out there, and show the world what you're made of. Your story isn't over, it's just getting started. You think you've hit your limit. Think again. Limits are illusions created by your mind. The truth is, every time you push past what you thought was your breaking point, you redefine your potential. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. You've been through hell and back, and you know what? That's where true growth happens. Look around you. The world is filled with people who settle for mediocrity, who are afraid to face their demons. They make excuses, complain, and choose the easy path. But you're different. You've tasted the bitterness of struggle, and it fuels your fire. You're the one who looks in the mirror and sees a warrior, someone who thrives in discomfort. Every setback is just a setup for a comeback. When you face obstacles, don't flinch, stand tall. Every failure is a lesson. Every rejection is a step closer to your goal. Remember, the only person standing in your way is you. Stop making excuses. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. It's time to dig deep and unleash that inner beast. Think about the future you want. Visualize it and go after it with everything you've got. Because let me tell you, the road ahead isn't easy. It's filled with challenges, doubt, and pain. But you've faced those monsters before, and they didn't win. You emerged stronger, tougher, and more relentless than ever. So when life throws you back into the darkness, don't shy away. Dive in head first. Use that darkness as your fuel. Let it push you harder. Let it mold you into the version of yourself you've always dreamed of being. You're not just a product of your past, you're the architect of your future. It's time to stop playing small. Take charge. Show the world that you're a force to be reckoned with. Every drop of sweat, every ounce of pain, it's all worth it. Get after it. The grind never stops, and neither do you. This isn't just about you anymore. It's about everyone who looks to you for strength. You're not just in the fight for yourself, you're in it for those who haven't yet found their voice, their fire. You have a responsibility now. You've survived the storm, and now it's your duty to help others weather their own. Think about the people who doubted you, who laughed when you said you wanted more. They fuel your rage. Let that anger ignite a flame within you. You have the power to turn that negativity into your greatest motivation. Use it. Show them what it means to rise from the ashes. Show them that they don't define you, you define you. Every day is a new opportunity to prove the doubters wrong. When you wake up, remind yourself that you're not just living, you're conquering. Every morning you open your eyes is a chance to make your mark, to push harder, to fight smarter. Don't just go through the motions, attack the day with ferocity. And when fatigue sets in, when your body screams to quit, that's when the real battle begins. This is where champions are made. Dig deep, feel the burn and embrace it. It's a reminder that you're alive, that you're pushing boundaries, and that you're not backing down. You were born to withstand pain. You were born to fight. So keep grinding. Keep moving forward, one relentless step at a time. Set goals that scare you, then smash them.